2.6 converting between mixed numbers and improper fractions. I can convert between mixed numbers and improper fractions.
All right, thank you, Mary. Can you guys convert between the two of them?
Yes.
All right, so a mixed number. It's exactly like what it is, like what it sounds like. It's a mix of two different numbers, right?
Yes.
This is a whole number, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
And this is a fraction. Fraction, yeah? So a mixed number is a mix of a whole and a fraction. An improper fraction is not really a fraction because we know fractions live between 0 and 1, right?
Yes.
Does 6 over 4 live between 0 and 1?
No.
No, it's like 1.5. But it's improper, so it doesn't technically count as a fraction, right? We just call it an improper fraction because it looks just like a fraction. What is the method we use for converting from a mixed to an improper? Everybody?
Around the world.
Which means you start at the whole. I'm going to use my green. Green is what I usually use to show what we're doing. So we have 5 1/4, right?
Yes.
You start at the whole number, the 5, and you multiply it by the,
4.
which is the denominator. So what is 5 times 4?
20.
And then we add the numerator to that. What is the 20 plus 1?
21.
So we have 21 what?
4.
We have 21 fourths. And here was our brilliant conversion. Like why it works, right? How many whole pizzas do you have here?
4.
How many whole pizzas is this?
5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many parts of a pizza do we have? 1/4 right here, right?
Yes.
Okay? So we have 5 1/4. That's where that 5 1/4 comes from. But then how many parts do we have all together? If we look at this, we've got how many parts in that first piece of pizza?
4.
How many parts in the second piece?
4.
And so on and so forth. If we add all of our parts up plus the one last part there, we got 21 fourths. Yes, no?
Yes. Yes.
Answers. I'm sorry. Mixed numbers. Can you ever do calculations with mixed numbers?
No.
No. So if I give you the problem like 2 1/3 plus 2 1/3, can you just say 4 2/6 or 4 2/3 for your answer? You have to convert it into improper fraction. So you have to convert it into 7/3, and you have to convert it into 7/3 and then do the math, right? Okay, not that we're doing that yet, but you know you can never calculate with mixed numbers. Improper fractions are simply what operation?
Division.
Huh?
Division.
So 21 fourths, what number goes inside the box?
21.
21, so the number on top always goes inside the box?
Yes.
Okay. Do your math, and whatever you have left over is going to be your fraction. And then, do we ever leave answers in improper form?
No.
Answers must always be in what form?
Mixed numbers.